One thing that stands out to me about LBA that makes them different than a lot of other companies, they know how to hire and develop people.
We have a lot of associates that have been here a long time, and so what keeps them here?
There's so many examples of people that started as housekeeping, laundry, house person. You see them now being regionals, director of engineering.
You have people in roles that see potential and that give you opportunity.
You have people that support you and are excited and passionate about what they are doing.
The growth opportunity that you have with LBA is just as far as you want to go.
The culture is something that has been fostered since the beginning.
I've been personally poured into for years from LBA.
The openness and the receptiveness that they have to the associates and other team members is great.
I mean, we're always encouraged to be creative. We're always encouraged to do things differently than other properties.
Such a great company. It's just everybody's approachable.
If you ask a question, somebody is there to answer that. If you need something, you can get access to that.
Focusing on pouring into our associates and giving them what they need so that they are empowered to be able to do their job.
I think what makes LBA stand out is their open door policy.
They go through the office, they see Larry walk the office and talk to everybody, or they stick their head in my office and I stop what I'm doing and we talk, because that's got to be the same atmosphere on the property.
It's nice to know that people that you work for know your name. You're not just a number, you never feel like a number within LBA.
The care that they have for their associates really stands out.
I know working for LBA, they actually do care.
I think Larry really has created that environment for all of us. I think it's what sets us apart. The way that he genuinely cares about people, that's culture to be emulated.
It is with confidence and pride that I watch the outstanding young leaders of our organization perpetuate and build on the successful history of LBA. The bedrock of that success is our humanism, our compassion, our giving, and the way we value and treat our associates.
I'm happy when I'm interviewing somebody. I tell them all the great things, that LBA has to offer.
I'm so proud to be part of LBA, to have an amazing team that I work with.
Everyone wants to see everyone else succeed.
We stand out because of what's inside.
We stand out.
We stand out.
We stand out
Because of what's inside.